In order to add in border to your images, first of all, let us insert an image. So I'm just going to go to insert right here, and then I'm going to go to image, and I'm going to go to my Google Photos right here where I have some images. So I'm just going to click on this one right here and then insert it out. So let's say I want to add in border to this image right here. In order to do that, you can go up over here or over here on the top, and here you have the border option. So let's just go with border weight for now and then choose 8 pixel for example, and then the border has been added. Similarly, you can go over here and then choose the border color according to what you like. You can also go around here and then choose the different type of borders according to what you like, just like that. And the border has been added onto the image just like that. And that is to it. So that is how you can work around with borders and choose different types of borders for your image to make your image stand out just like that. So you can go for something like this, something like which makes it like an actual image, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work with image border and border types inside of Google Docs document. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.